Would you believe this beautiful hair accessory is made entirely from yarn? And what if your favorite flower could last forever? So yeah, stop scrolling. Here we'll see how to turn this simple yarn into a stunning hair bun stick with detailing of tulip flowers on it. And yes, who else is not obsessed with tulip flowers? So hey, welcome back to the Happy Hues. Let's see how to crochet a tulip flower hair accessory. So here I have mentioned the material which will be required. So let's begin. Start with taking any metal bangle and the hook size of 2 mm. And next I'll be using 4-ply acrylic yarn of green color. And start making a slip knot here. And now it's easy to attach it to the bangle. So we'll attach this by working a simple single crochet. Just pull the yarn through here and work a single crochet like this. So now you have to work this single crochet all around the bangle. Now following the same pattern you have to complete the round. So this is how it will come out once you are all done working single crochet to the bangle. So now we'll just slip stitch to the very first single crochet to end this round. Here. Now chain 1 and we'll start next round. So we'll work total 5 channels. One we have already taken and 4 more. Here. Now work double crochet into the same stitch. So this is how a V stitch will be done. So now we'll repeat. You have to skip first 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and then work double crochet to the third one here. Then we'll chain 2, 1, 2 and work double crochet into the same stitch here. So this is how we are going to complete this entire round. Now we'll repeat the same pattern following above instructions. And this is how it will look. So now we'll slip stitch to the very first V stitch here and chain 1, then cut the yarn. So until here it's done. Next we'll change color to the magenta and it's a 4-ply acrylic yarn. So in this round we have to work on these chain spaces, as you can see here. So attach yarn to one of any chain space here and make a slip knot like this. Now chain 2 and we'll work 4 double crochet into the seam. And this is how you will be done making a cluster of total 5 double crochet, as the first 2 chain will consider as 1 double crochet. Now slip stitch and then chain 3. 1, 2, 3. So this is how our tulip flower will come out. Now we'll go to the next chain space and we'll work 5 double crochet into the same. So again we'll slip stitch to the very first double crochet from the hook we have left here, and then chain 3 again, and we'll work 5 double crochet into the next chain space. So this is how we are going to make our tulip flowers. So now following the same pattern, you have to complete the round. So this is how it will come out after we are done working with our third round. So now we'll just simply slip stitch to the back stitch from the tulip flower here, then chain 1 and cut the yarn off. So here we are all done with this round. So for the next round we'll change yarn to a pink color. So here working with the 4-ply acrylic yarn. Attach yarn to any of the space by working a simple slip knot. Here. Now we'll single crochet into the same. Then work half double crochet into the same. And 2 double crochet. Then again a half double crochet into the same, and then single crochet. So here. So now we'll work a single crochet into the next here. So you have to work the single crochet to the back of this tulip flower. Now to the next chain space, again you have to repeat this pattern. First a single crochet, then half double crochet, then 2 double crochet into it, then again a half double crochet and a single crochet, and we'll work a single crochet to the back stitch from the tulip and here. So this is how it will be done. So now we'll follow this same pattern and we'll complete the round. So this is how it will come after we work our last round. So now we'll just slip stitch to the very first single crochet, here we go, then chain 1 and cut the yarn off to end the round. And here is done. Now just secure the left yarn. We have to do it by inserting it into the patterns. And it's done. So I hope you enjoyed making it. If you like the tutorial, then please do like, share and subscribe to support our channel, though your support means a lot to us. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you won't miss any latest update. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.